As described in another video, you can track pretty much any type of data that you want in Hexfit. Hexfit already has more than 200 different data that you can track, but you can always create your custom data. And here is how you can do it. To create your first custom data, you can just go into the admin section by clicking on your name at the top right. Then go in the data section where you'll be able to create your first data. Then click this button right here, then you can actually create your data. The first step is to name the data. Then you can select the type of data that will allow you to select the unit measure that you want to use when entering this data. This data can also be a smart data. So if you want it to be calculated automatically based on other data that are in the software or that you want to create, you can build this data based on a formula. So if you have created your own formula to calculate the fat percentage of your client, well, you can enter it right here and it will be calculated automatically from now on. You can then select the category where you will be able to find the data that you're just creating. You can also set the visibility, so you can manage who will be able to see or not to see this data. You can also click just here to allow your client to enter this data from the app. And a description can be added for you to give more details about this data. When you're done, you can click this button right here. Now your data is saved. If you go inside your client's file and you try to enter a new data, you will be able to find the one you just created. Once again, when you've entered it a couple of times, when you click on the actual data, you'll see a graph that will display the evolution of the data that you just created. The custom data that you create can also be used when you want to create a custom graph within your boards or when you want to create a custom document. If you still have questions about how to customize the data in Hexfit to really fit your needs, feel free to use the live chat that is always available at the top right of the screen by clicking on the Help button. We'll be more than happy to help you with this.